Hi there, my name's Lon with Rocktop Construction. And to put things into perspective, it is December 2022. There's a bit of inflation going on. Nationally, there's been a bit of an affordable housing crunch. So there are other alternatives that may help people who have fixed incomes or incomes that aren't keeping up with inflation. There are AirBNBs, there are studios you can put on top of garages, there are mother-in-law apartments you can put on a property if you have the property. There are unfinished basements that could have a private entrance. So there are opportunities for those people who may not think they have a good alternative to a fixed income. And the cost of a loan to do some of these things is variable, but considerably less than what you can rent those properties out for. So there are a number of options here where I am right now in Utah. House Bill 82 was signed by the governor in March that is helping with some of the zoning restrictions by counties and HOAs so that they can make affordable housing for more people that need it.